Configuring the AWS Amplify API category is a straightforward process that enables you to create scalable and secure RESTful APIs. To begin, you need to install the Amplify CLI and configure it with your AWS account. First, install the Amplify CLI using npm by running the command npm install g at AWS-amplify CLI. Once installed, configure the Amplify CLI with your AWS account by running the command amplify configure. This will prompt you to sign in to your AWS account and create a new IAM user. Next, create a new Amplify project by running the command amplify init. This will create a new directory with the basic structure for an Amplify project. Navigate into the project directory and run the command amplify add API to add a new API to your project. When prompted, choose the REST API option and follow the prompts to configure your API. You will need to specify the API name, description, and authorization type. For authorization, you can choose from options such as API key, Amazon Cognito user pool, or Amazon Cognito identity pool. After configuring your API, run the command amplify push to deploy your API to AWS. This will create the necessary AWS resources, including an API gateway, REST API, and a Lambda function. To test your API, navigate to the AWS Management Console and open the API Gateway dashboard. Find your API and click on the Test button to test the API endpoints. You can also use tools such as Postman to test your API. Best practices for configuring the AWS Amplify API category include using a consistent naming convention, implementing authentication and authorization, and monitoring your API usage with Amazon CloudWatch. Additionally, make sure to follow security best practices, such as validating user input and using SSL/TLS encryption. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a scalable and secure RESTful API using the AWS Amplify API category. This enables you to focus on building your application, while AWS Amplify handles the underlying infrastructure and scalability.